Welcome to another amazing 5-minute auto pairing. Okay, let's see what happens here. So, 5-minute auto pairing. Okay, rec time 2085. Try Sicilian. Najdorf. Knight here. Right, so this looks like a dangerous hack attack system by him. Am I going to get hacked? B5, bishop b7. Looks like standard sort of counterplay attempt. F5 is going to be dangerous. Right, so rook e8. If I can put the bishop on f8 on f6, that's going to be useful, surely. That was knight e, maybe knight e5, but b5 and bishop b7 still attractive as well, potentially. Although e5 actually might be quite dangerous. Maybe knight e5 first. Knight's not really doing that much on c6 at the moment. Okay. Whoa. Danger time. I'll take this pawn and play g5. I seem to remember that as a resource in some Fischer game. So g5 potentially, or knight e5. I mean knight e5 first, or g5 here. Possibly g5 here. Let's try g5 here to try and keep things closed. Then there's knight e5, h6 and stuff. So knight e5 or knight d4. Knight d4, knight e5 or knight d4. Let's try this. Holds f7 for a moment. Now knight d3 is a tactic against this queen, is interesting on d5. Potentially if the rook wasn't on d1. Something to bear in mind. Let's move this for a moment. So it's knight d3, there's d5 and knight d3 business.
Check.
What about queen g7? Because otherwise there's h6 coming in. So maybe queen g7 is essential. It's not bishop f6. Okay. Is queen g6 possible? Bishop e7, try and hold this f6 square. It's essential because bishop h5 is coming up. It's a useful pin anyway. Maybe I can get the queens off. So I have another day here. If I get the queens off. Yeah, let's take the queen just in case.
Check. Check.
I play rook g8. Can I get away with rook g8? Who's going to have an advantage on that g file? Bishop d7 is rook g7. Knight g6. That's bishop h5. I think it's better anyway. Okay. Rook e7 against rook g7. Rook e7 here. It's tricky. So I get to play bishop d7 and rook f8. Rook f8, rook f7. I think I've survived the worst of this so far. Rook f7 if he takes on h6. There's bishop h5 though, hang on. Bishop h5, am I getting in trouble? Well, maybe rook f2. Oh, he's dislodging my good knights, in fact. It's getting scary. Knight a4. e6 drops off. Fantastic. It's going to dismantle me after that. Wow. I'll try and get rid of his h6 pawn anyway, for 2 pawns for the, instead of losing e6, I'll try and get rid of h6. Yeah, so it takes here. Hopefully try and get another pawn, or maybe b6, and then try and go for the h6 pawn. Oh, he's giving me a piece back immediately. No, he's not. Yes, he is. Nope. Yes, I don't know. He's going to have 2 rooks on the 7th. So that'll be winning. Bishop e8 to g6. Bishop c6, just aim for to get that h6 pawn. So he moves that. I play rook h6, try and get 2 pawns, this dangerous pawn off the board. Okay, he's taking time here for some reason. Is he in shock? I got rid of this horrible pawn before his rook's double on the 7th. It's like less at evil time. Right. Maybe b5, b4, bishop e4. Protects h7 as well. Bishop g6 trying to evict his rook. Okay, go on the attack here a bit. On c2 potentially. Oh, he's resigned. Oh, okay, that was interesting. That was I'm sure it's getting done over. If we look at this is just horrible. Very direct attacking chess from the opponent. To sort of knight takes c6 plus 2. What's going on here? And if this. Oh, yeah, that's pretty bad for c5. So this is pretty good for white as well. Yeah, I've just castled into a major attack.
Check.
I think that was the only move though, because h6 is so crushing here for bishop f6. I mean, that
check.
Over. So I'll try to just hold on in this game. Pretty grim Sicilian defense game.
Check.
But actually his advantage here is only +1 it seems. I've made it worse here now with this. So bishop d7, say here. Apparently this is less than +1, which is a kind of success. But here I'm making it worse again. So knight a4, yeah, I thought I was just dropping e6. I mean, that's good. I mean, he just had a massive position. I think bishop c6 was one of the better moves here, because if I had played this, I think he just, you know, if he has this position, it's winning. It's +15. So I think I did play some lesser evil choices to try and survive a bit longer, and for some reason, I don't know, he's in time pressure now. He just resigned, but he's still better in the final position. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.